I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is FluentCRM. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a contact is Create. You can choose as you want. Click Next. Search and select Action. Campaign Monitor. Give here an API key and client ID. So please visit the Campaign Monitor API key. Copy the client ID and paste it here. For the API key, click on Show API Key. Give here your login password and confirm it. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose a subscriber list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Now go to FluentCRM Dashboard. Go to the Contact module. Click on Add Contact. Type some information and create contact. Create contact. Contact added successfully. Now go to the Campaign Monitor site, refresh it, and go to the lists. Under the lists, click on Bid Integrations. You can see the data came successfully in the Campaign Monitor site. Thanks for watching.